Thanks for joining me in my studio again today. I'm going to be working in my summer nature sketchbook again, and I'm going to be doing a drawing of a hummingbird with some really loose and intuitive type of flowers. I'm going to start my sketch using my Neocolor II water-soluble wax pastels. Once I finish my initial sketch, I'll activate the color using a water brush, and this turns the Neocolor IIs into a watercolor paint. I really love using the Neocolor IIs. I feel like they've really helped me get a little bit looser with my sketching and a little more spontaneous, and they're just really fun to use. I'm going to add some final details using my colored pencils, and my final painting is going to be very loose and expressive, and I'm not going for hyperrealism here. I'm just using my sketchbook this summer to just enjoy the time that I'm spending creating, relaxing, and enjoying the process. So I hope that you enjoy watching as I create in my summer sketchbook, and I hope that you'll stay to the end so that you can see my finished paintings.